Today I'm reviewing KeePass, an open-source password manager that's been around for years and still holds a solid reputation among cybersecurity experts and privacy advocates. KeePass is entirely free, which is a huge plus, especially compared to many paid services that often come with limitations in their free tiers. As soon as you open the application, you'll notice it has a very minimalistic interface. Some users might find it outdated, but for others, this no-frills design is part of the appeal. Simple, focused, and efficient. The application stores your passwords locally, meaning nothing is saved to the cloud unless you choose to sync it manually using a service like Dropbox or OneDrive. That gives you full control over your data, but it also means you're responsible for backups and syncing across devices. If you're someone who prefers cloud-based convenience, this might be a bit of a hassle. However, if privacy and control are your priorities, this is a huge advantage. Setting up KeePass involves creating a new database and choosing a master password. The security of your database depends entirely on the strength of that master password, so it's crucial to pick something strong and memorable. KeePass supports two-factor authentication using key files or Windows user accounts, which is a great feature for those who want to go the extra mile with security. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. KeePass also includes a password generator, customizable entry fields, and plugins for expanding its functionality. But it's not all perfect. One major downside is the learning curve. KeePass doesn't hold your hand. You need to be comfortable navigating its settings and understanding concepts like encryption, backups, and plugin management. If you're a beginner, it can feel a bit intimidating. Additionally, KeePass doesn't natively support mobile syncing, so getting it to work seamlessly across devices requires extra steps. You'll need third-party apps like KeePass to Android or Strumbox for iOS, and while those work well, they're not officially maintained by the same team, so your experience may vary. Another potential drawback is the lack of real-time support. Being open source, the community is your primary source of help. There's a wealth of documentation and forums out there, but if you run into a problem, you're mostly on your own to troubleshoot. Despite these cons, KeePass remains one of the most trusted offline password managers, especially among IT professionals and power users. It's incredibly customizable, extremely secure when configured correctly, and doesn't lock features behind a paywall. If you value control, privacy, and transparency, KeePass is still one of the best choices in 2025. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more honest reviews like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content.